So what I can say around one of the perceptions of third-party support is large enterprises are concerned about the scalability, the ability of Spinnaker to support the largest of enterprises, because relative to SAP, we are a small company. However, what we do is maintenance. That's all that we do. So our engineers are the lifeblood of our organisation. They are what is delivering to the customer. Our scalability is based upon the number of engineers we can put in front of customers. So we have global telcos, we have critical national infrastructure across many, many countries. We have a huge number of reference customers in some of the largest enterprises in the world who have trusted Spinnaker Support to take care of their business critical applications, often in highly regulated environments, and we are able to deliver that support, and we are able to reference that support, and we're able to back it up with our ultimate support guarantee.